In general, we slightly modified the test, added all the sensors approximately in one focal point to split and heat it to a red hot state. We turned off the first sensor, turned off the sixth, and turned off the second, because the second one is not located in the focal point, but the others are. It's long. This tip, we cannot heat it due to the incorrect temperature. There is. I mean that for the first sensor, where it reaches up to 1000 degrees, it has 200 something, but these two others at 800 and another at 600, which we disconnected from the system, but all the other 7 sensors are at 695. 8 at 700, 700, 600, 500, something else, meaning that up to about 700 degrees they started showing perfectly, but then due to the exceeded temperature, you can, by the way, make it a bit quieter now. Now they will cool down together smoothly, but their temperature is the same. That is around plus or minus 50 to 100 degrees. Now they are returning to normal and we can observe 500 to 600. That is 500, 700, 600, 557. Here they are at 750. If they haven't started cooling down and returning to normal, 515, 8. Now possibly the fourth one will return after the next question. We wait. Currently we have a question approximately every 40 seconds. 3 depending on where each sensor was and how it heated up, and now the fourth one has returned as well. 330 degrees. So in principle all sensors up to 600 are behaving correctly and displaying normally. The sensors with longer thermocouples need to be heated to a higher temperature, but under our conditions this cannot be achieved.